This is a algorithm to validate subsequence. So in this we will be given two arrays. One is a the primary array and another one is a sequence, and we need to check whether the sequence array is the subsequence of the array. So in this case we can see these values are available in the same sequence as this one. So we can see 1, 6, -1 and 10. This order also should be same. So we can see this array is included in this array, so it is a valid subsequence of this array. The sequence array is a valid subsequence of this array, so this should return true. So how the algorithm works is like we will have two pointers. One is pointing to this array and another one is pointing to this sequence array. So initially we will check whether these two values are same. In this case these two values are not same. Then we will increment this index to here, and we will check whether these two values are same. So these two values are same, so we will increment this index and this index, so both will come here and here. Then we will check these two are same, this is not same, so we will increment only this index will come here, and we'll check whether 25 and 6 are same. No, it is not same, so we will increment this to 6. So we'll check 6 and 6 are same, so 6 and 6 are same, so we will increment both index. So this will go here and this will go here, and these two are same, then this will go here and this will go here. These two are not same, then this will go here and this will be here. So these two numbers are same, so then this will come out. And finally we will check, each time we will check whether the index of this sequence is at the last position, or the length of the sequence array. If it is length of the sequence array, we will break out of the loop. So that we will explain in this function how it is defined. The same as what I have explained there. So initially we will declare one index, sequence idx is equal to 0. That is for this sequence index we are defining as a 0. That is the first element, and we are looping through the entire the first array, that is array. For value in array, first value will come, and if the sequence idx is the length of the sequence, as I said, if the sequence idx become the at the end of the array, or it passes the array, then we will exit this loop, we will break out of this loop. And if the sequence of sequence idx, that means zeroth value of this sequence is equal to the current value of this array, then we will increment the sequence idx. Anyway, each iteration we are incrementing array, and apart from that we will increment the sequence idx if the sequence value matches with the current value, and like that it will continue on this loop. And end of this iteration we will check whether if the sequence idx is the length of the sequence, that means we return true, otherwise it will return false. So that means at the end of the iteration, if we have passed through all the sequence element, that means we have found a subsequence in this array. So that means it is a valid subsequence. That is and this algorithm runs in n time and constant space. N time and constant space, because we are not using any extra space in this algorithm. And time is constant time is we are looping through this entire array once.